Grandma?
Duck.
Grandma Duck?
Grandma and Duck.
No.
Grandma and Duck.
No, what's their names? What do you call them? Papa.
Duck.
Papa.
Duck.
And Grandma.
And Duck.
You love your Papa Duck, don't you?
And Grandma.
And Grandma? Grandma what?
Hey. Duck's got tools.
Papa Doug's got tools? No way.
Mommy, want to go see him?
I do.
I can't want you to.
You don't want me to?
I can't want. Couldn't can't want to.
Why?
I'm gonna go in Grandma's zoo.
You want to go see Grandma Sue?